Today we are going to see about this Kelvin double bridge. So there is in the measurement of resistance using DC bridges, there are two bridges. One is Wheatstone Bridge, which is used for measuring the medium value, and Kelvin Bridge is used to measure the low value. That is, low value means below 100 ohms. The unknown low value resistance is connected in this RX. So here is the Kelvin Bridge trainer kit. Okay, now we are using these patch cards. We are giving connection to the daughter lines. So here there is a daughter line L2, and here there is another daughter line, and there is an L1 connection to be given, and supply for this Kelvin bridge is given from plus 5 volt. So here A to A and B to B. So we had to give the supply source from A to A, then B to B. There is another here. Okay. So the apparatus record, we need the Kelvin double bridge and this unknown resistance and multimeter to measure the value of P1. So the unknown value resistance R is measured by PQ into P1. We know the value of P as 100 ohm and the value of Q to be selected as 1 kilo ohm, 10 kilo ohm, 100 kilo ohm. Okay, by varying this P1, we have to make the bridge as balanced. Balanced means we have to make the zero flow of current. Okay, now switch on the circuit. Okay, so I keeping that the value of P is 100, which is fixed value. Now the value of Q is selected as 10 kilo ohm. Now I am varying this. I am varying this one as P1. The value of P1 should be a 0 to 1 kilo ohm. So making this to be 0. Yeah, this thing. Now it is very close. Now it becomes a 0. After becoming 0, we can remove this two wires and we can switch off. Even we can switch off this. Then we can measure the value of P1. So we are keeping this multimeter in ohm. Okay. Now the value of P, we know the value of P as 100 ohm and the value of Q to be selected as 10 kilo ohm, which is 10 to the 10 power 3 ohm, and the P1 is 0.968 kilo ohm, 0.968 kilo ohm, so that I can write as 10 power 3. By using this formula, R is equal to P by Q into P1, we can calculate the value of unknown resistance, which is R is equal to P is 100 and Q as 10 and P1 as 10 into 10 power 3 into 0.968 into 10 power 3. So this 10 power 3 will be getting cancelled. This will be cancelled. So the value would be a 9.68 ohm. So which is approximately it's a 10 ohm resistance.